today's exciting. We're going to be taking apart a 4AG ZE to put on Matt's K70. Last night was a little bit hard. Fucking completely destroyed the matters. Got home, everything all sweet, and then all of a sudden it just stops driving and makes horrible noises now. So I'm thinking it's either the clutch, the diff, or the gearbox itself. So fucking that's a cunt. So got to daily this fucking car again. Fucking K70 drives like a pile of shit, but fuck it. Let's fucking do it. Let's fucking get this shit done. We'll grab some tools and then we can go start taking this engine up. Yo. So boys. Cha-cha.
I'm recording even.
Let's go fucking see what's going on. Huh?
We'll go get the stronger.
Alright. Pretty soon we're going to be moving all the shit out of here so that we can fucking start using this garage as our home base. But as you can see, it's fucking covered in shit. So we're taking it out of that.
See what I mean?
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Nice sticker on the back saying not for sale.
I want to buy it though.
Yeah.
I reckon we could restore it.
Oh yeah,
in a couple of days.
Full restoration.
Take missing a few pounds.
Take 20 minutes, mate. Just chuck those panels back on, should be sweet. Yo! So we haven't posted in a while, but we've been doing some stuff and some things. And today we're going to be taking out the 4AG ZE out of an MR2 to chuck into Matt's car here. Got a bunch of other random shit in here.
Been on many missions lately.
Yeah, we went to Palmy to an old school auto parts place and got some stuff for our cars. I blew my diff again. I didn't share anything about that, but it's probably on some fucking
Social media.
yeah.
That's right, isn't it right in there?
Yeah, actually, yeah, we could just show it. Oh no. Yeah, fuck. These are all the random pieces of fucking plate and bolt out of it, but which one is it? It's down here, can't really see it. Fuck it. Can't see it.
Well, so Kaylee got new wheels.
Oh yeah, Kaylee got some hectic as fuck new wheels for her car. That is crazy, like...
They're also going on like a AU92 Corolla, so these are fucking huge for that car.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a lot of guard rolling for those, but it's gonna be dope. Anyway, and yeah, so I bought a new open diff for that, because fuck doing the skippity hop around town. But there's another weldie on the way, so don't worry. And yeah, let's go start literally cutting an engine out of an MR2 with a grinder. Yeah. So we thought that the fucking Laurel wasn't low enough at the front, so we got some new springs, lower ones.
Shot Scotty.
Yeah.
3 springs.
And also we got this rear bumper for Jimmy's Starlet because the fucking work on it looks like crap and we have to fix it.
Yeah, when we left it was sunny.
There she is.
Not in the best state, mate.
We can make it go again. It's all good.
Oh, definitely.
Everything's changed. The city's different now. I keep thinking of my folks. They thought this place was something worth protecting.
So far so good. Just ripping this thing apart. About to cut some gearbox mounts. Already got that one up. You ready, Mike?
Yep.
Let's see if these fucking engine mounts have come out.
Wait a second, I want to film it.
Are you good?
That's going to have good berth now.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Down she goes.
Just got one engine mount to go, and then she's fucking coming out. Apart from CVs, obviously, but yeah.
Moment of truth.
We're back in here. We got ourselves our own street lamp.
Good old bay tree, so it's probably nice and straight.
Mm.
Yep, it's the right driver.
Yeah, that's what we wanted to hear.
Can't go on from that angle, man.
In the way. Can we make the CV rotate? Can we rotate the actual axle somehow? Like we...
Nah, because it was like locked in park, wasn't it?
Yeah, fuck.
Maybe. I think the only way I can do is go under it.
Yeah, that'll be the goer. Or you could just grab the big hammer and just see if you can smash it apart.
I like the idea too. Get this in the gap.
Yeah.
If I can see if we can crack it.
Yeah.
Where's that hammer gone?
Yeah, just the torch real quick. Yeah.
Fucking blunted the little thing though. Nah.
It's still pretty solid, eh?
Yeah, she's tight. She's tight like a
Oh,
tiger.
I got a hacksaw.
Hello.
No, she's calling a dog.
Oh.
I got a hacksaw. I know it's not the fastest one, but hang on.
Yeah, it's not very much, and it's kind of sketchy to go underneath with no guard. Because if it kicks back, it's likely to hit me straight in the face.
Oh.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. There you go.
Yeah.
Two more. And then we out a bit.
Should we just try get it? Oh. What's holding that one in?
Gravity.
Literally,
It's got no bolt in it.
It's got no bolt in it.
If you just tap the top of the hammer, it's just pop
Yeah.
out.
There you go. And then one more. Is that one the same?
That one's actually...
No, that one's
No,
bolted in.
yeah.
Doing things. So
Have you ever seen someone jack up a car like this before?
the
No.
goal is to leave the engine's over there. You can't really see it because there's no light. There you go. So we're just lifting this side of it out and hopefully dragging it out.
Our light's changing direction. Oh, I saw that move. A piece of wood.
Yeah.
You might not want to be like that, like replace that close to it. You might want to stand up and do it and be jacking it up.
I think we need to.
Might try and ping out.
Yeah.
It's good, bro.
How good?
That's alright. Like, good.
It's average.
That's average. Just stand away and then it'll be sweet.
Yeah.
There you go.
That makes you feel a bit safer.
Feel that? Oh, that's definitely going to pop out though.
How do you know?
Because you can see it rotating. Each time you stroke it, it's like just straight starts rotating out.
Adjust this our really dodgy pole, and then like so that this is actually holding something again.
Is it? Oh yeah, I see.
Fuck, pretty close.
Just like one more hit, like. Boom!
Just flings and barrel rolls.
Hydraulic cylinder just like explodes.
we start holding it?
Holy crap, the way this is pivoting is looking so fucking scary.
Yeah, it's dangerous.
Nah, gee, she'll be sweet.
No, it's like, oh, I don't know, I'm just gonna stand back here and stuff. Pretend that I saw nothing.
Whoa! Whoa!
How many things were moving like then?
Charm.
All of it.
Charm.
All of the things. Oh.
He's definitely going to need 3 of us, but I reckon we could easily do it. So we've been doing a whole bunch of things, and we have got the engine to this point.
Supercharger.
This is where it was. And it has moved out quite.
With
This is
sponsor.
literally the last few hoses holding this.
Sponsored by Angle Grinder Nation.
Yeah, fucking angle grinder. This cunt has been our best friend the whole time. Just doing all our work for us.
You know how much that cost too? $49.90, mate.
Fuck yeah, man.
That was a good $49.90.
Everyone's, bro, the 2 of us have got angle grinders today. How hype is that? Did you get an
I
orbital
got
as
an
well?
angle grinder
Yeah.
ages ago.
Yo, 2 of...
Oh no, we didn't get an orbital. No, no,
Oh,
no.
well, I got an orbital. It's in my bag right now. So,
Yeah, yeah.
sauced.
Oh, let's just start restoring
Gang,
this
gang.
beautiful car.
Yeah, bro, let's start buffing
To
it
its
right now.
former glory.
Should we just start buffing it now?
Yeah, dude.
It would really help if someone chucked us some CSCA.
Where is it? Oh yeah, I was look.
Around.
Yeah. Chum's on it.
Yada yada yada.
Yep.
It's been a fucking tough day, but we have managed to suss the engine out of this beast.
Yeah.
It was a mission. How do you feel, Matt?
Good.
Man,
Yep. I mean, yeah, no, it's good. It's good fun. Chopping up a car.
a beautiful car too.
Yeah, just ripping it to shreds.
Well, it wasn't.
Well,
it was a beautiful car.
It was beautiful before it came a part of the land.
Yeah.
OJ was shine the light over the car, give a pan of it. Yeah. It's not the best.
Beauty.
But hey, this is pretty mad. This is the best.
Minus the shitty automatic front wheel drive gearbox.
Which
We'll just
Which
take
one?
gonzo to that.
our part right here.
Yeah.
Look at this though. Fucking supercharged, eh?
Yeah, wait, where's it at? Oh, focus.
That doesn't it auto focuses, but sucks.
Oh, let's see. Ooh.
It's gay. Who cares?
Well,
It's a homo.
Supercharger. Yeah.
16 valve.
Mission success.
Big top.
Big top.
Big port. Sorry, it's been a long day. Fuck, been a long day, mate.
Fuck it.
But yeah, it's a big port. AW11. 4AGZE.
Yeah. And lighting rig for days.
Yeah.